Hi guys, welcome back to Trisha's Paradise, and this is your lovely, beautiful, gorgeous, star standard, the one and only Trisha Jain. The idea for this video was so random. I did not prepare any script, anything, nothing. I just came to my room and I don't know why. सुबह से मेरे दिमाग में सिर्फ एक चीज पता नहीं रिप्ले चल रही थी, क्रिश्चियन हार्पर्स के लेटर्स. Yes, he wrote Stella 3 letters, and I just don't know why those letters were not getting off my mind. So I came back to my room, I rewrite the letters, and I just wanted to make a video about it. So I know थोड़ा सा मैं इमोशनल रहूंगी इस वीडियो में क्योंकि इमोशनल है. I mean, because what day is today? Tell me, what generation are we living in? Today is, let me tell you, today is 17 March 2025. And nobody writes letters, okay? All a guy can think about is just a DM. That's it. Trust me. So I don't know, I was getting so emotional and I was like, यार कौन करता है, कोई नहीं करता. So इससे पहले कि वीडियो इससे ज़्यादा लंबी होए, let's get started. क्योंकि I'm right now मेरे emotions यहाँ से भी ऐसे overflow हो रहा है, बहुत overflow हो रहा है मेरे emotions अभी. So let's get started. So the letter starts, the first letter of Christian to Stella. So let's go to the flashback. Flashback कुछ ऐसा है कि जो क्रिश्चियन है, जब क्रिश्चियन स्टेला, द नेम ट्विस्टेड लाइज, ओके, बाय आना, इंट्रोडक्शन तो दिया ही नहीं, ट्विस्टेड लाइज बाय आना हुआंग, ओके. ये होता है स्क्रिप्ट ना बनाने का नतीजा. सो एज द नेम इज ट्विस्टेड लाइज, द story, the plot twist in the story is that it was all a lie except that he loved her. So होता यूँ है कि स्टेला जो है, मतलब स्टेला एंड क्रिश्चियन हार्पर इज नाउ रियली हैप्पी रिलेशनशिप, बहुत सब अच्छा चल रहा है. बट वन डे, अब देखो, ट्रुथ इज समथिंग दैट कैन नॉट बी हिडन फॉर सो लॉन्ग. सब अच्छा चल रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया. स्टेला इज थिंकिंग कि या क्रिश्चियन एंड आई मेट थ्रू अ म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड, रीज एंड ब्रिजिट्स वेडिंग एंड ऑल दैट. सो उसको सब नॉर्मल लग रहा है. शी इज थिंकिंग कि हाँ सब नॉर्मल है. Now what happens that one day when Stella is cleaning Christian's office, she finds a file in which वो फाइल पूरी उसके स्टेला के इंफॉर्मेशन से भरी हुई रहती है, पूरी के पूरी. So Stella be like what? And वो इंफॉर्मेशन भी प्रेजेंट की नहीं, 1 साल पुरानी इंफॉर्मेशंस, उसके 1 साल पुरानी फोटोज, उसके 1 साल पुरानी क्या क्या वो कर रही थी. And she gets like what? Why does he have this? Like 1 साल पहले तो हम जानते भी नहीं थे एक दूसरे को. So उसे पता चलता है कि Christian was lying to her all these times and she just leaves him. He was not at home at that time, so she just moves out from his apartment. और जब स्टेला वापस आने से मना कर देती है and Christian be like, okay, I will give you time, I will not force you. So Christian comes back and he writes letter to her every day. Let's get started. July 30, Stella. I have a confession. I never wanted a pet, not even when I was a kid. My parents asked me once if I wanted a puppy, and I told them in no uncertain terms that I did not. It's not because I hate animals, I just always thought they were too much work for too little reward. I didn't understand why someone would bring a dog or a cat into their house, treat it like their child, and love it for years when they knew that animals' lifespan was so much shorter than their own. It was like they were asking for their heart to be broken. Now I understand. It's because the time they spent together was worth the heartbreak. Before you get angry, I'm not comparing you to an animal, but if I had the chance to go back in the time and leave the cafe a minute before you passed, or stay in my office instead of dropping by the apartment the day you signed the lease, I would not. मैं बताऊंगी, इसका मतलब बताऊंगी, मैं बिल्कुल बताऊंगी. Even knowing what the outcome would be, even knowing that I would eventually get my heart broken. Because all the most beautiful days of my life have been with you, and I wouldn't trade that for anything in the world. I would rather be miserable now after having been loved by you than be happy without having ever known you. I would rather be miserable now after having been loved by you than be happy without having ever known you. I'm so sorry, but most men on this earth cannot even possibly imagine this line. Trust me. And then और फिर लोग पूछते हैं हम बुक्स क्यों पढ़ते हैं. जब हम कोई भी पेट लाते हैं घर पर तो हम जानते हैं, कोई भी हो, एक डॉग हो, कोई कैट हो, रैबिट हो, रैट हो, कोई भी, कि उनकी लाइफ स्पान अपनी लाइफ स्पान से बहुत कम है. उनकी डेथ बहुत जल्दी हो जानी है, हमें पता है. बट स्टिल वी ब्रिंग देम in our home, we make them a part of our family. But why do we do that? वही वो कह रहा है कि it is like asking to get your heart broken. मतलब आप सामने से मांग रहे हो कि हाँ, just break my heart. But do you know what's the point? The point is the time you spend with that pet is worth it. It's never about कि वो जल्दी आपको छोड़ के चला जाएगा वो पर्टिकुलर पेट, बट इट्स अबाउट वो जो आप उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, दैट मैटर्स. सो ही इज सेइंग कि अगर जैसे वो कह रहा है कि इफ आई हैड टू लीव द कैफे, मतलब कि अगर मुझे एक्चुअली द फर्स्ट टाइम क्रिश्चियन सीज स्टेला वॉज इन अ कैफे 1 year ago. ऐसे रैंडमली कोइंसिडेंटली डेस्टिनली वो स्टेला से मिलता है जब वो कैफे में बैठा रहता है एंड ही सीज स्टेला, एंड वहाँ पे एक इंसिडेंट होता है जिसकी वजह से वो क्रिश्चियन को स्टेला बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ जाती है. वो यही कह रहा है कि अगर मुझे चांस मिलता कि मैं उस कैफे से उठ के चला जाता तो मैं वो चांस नहीं लेता. आई वुड हैव स्टिल फॉलन इन लव विद यू, I would have still stalked you, I would have still been with you. August 6, Stella. Remember when you ran into me in the lobby the night we signed our agreement? You mentioned a date should include dinner, drinks and hand-holding, or as an alternative cuddling on a bench overlooking the river followed by whispered sweet nothings and a good night kiss. At the time, it was the most atrocious thing I'd ever heard. But if you ever come back to me, I have it all planned out. We'll have dinner at my favorite Italian restaurant in Columbia Heights. It's a tiny place, barely large enough to seat a dozen people at one time, but they make the second best gnocchi, if I'm pronouncing it right, gnocchi, in the world after my grandmother's. She's not here anymore, but when I was a kid, I went to her house after school and she spent hours teaching me how to cook. Besides my time with you, those days were my happiest. Laughing with her in the kitchen, rolling the dough and getting flour all over ourselves while the old 60s music she loved played in the background. Her gnocchi was my favorite dish. Unfortunately, her recipe was lost after she died, but when I tried it at this restaurant, it was the closest I'd found to how she used to make it. I know I went off on a tangent, but I wanted to share that story with you. I've never told anyone about how I learned to cook before. Just imagining Christian cooking. Oh. Anyway, I think you would love the restaurant. After that, we'll have drinks at a bar nearby, then go to the Georgetown waterfront and sit on a bench by the river. We can kiss and hold hands. We can kiss and hold hands and whisper however many sweet nothings you want. Because if this date does happen, it means you have forgiven me, and if I have you back, I will never give you a reason to leave again. Now, time, guys, the main letter, the third letter that made me sob in the middle of the night. August 12th. Let me muster up the courage. Okay. Stella. Stella, it is 2:30 in the morning as I write this. It's 2:30 in the morning, guys. I have not slept in almost 24 hours, but I could not go to sleep without telling you this. I'm trying, Butterfly. I'm trying so fucking hard to stay away from you, to not think about you, to not love you. My life would be so much easier if I could move on, but I know I cannot. Even if you never forgive me, even if you never talk to me again, even if you move on, I will still love you. You will always be my first, last, and only love. I don't know. क्या बोलूं मैं? Who does that? रात के 2:30 बजे बैठकर, नहीं, इन द मॉर्निंग, सुबह के 2:30 बजे बैठकर ये स्टेला को लेटर लिख रहा है, जो कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि उसको मिलेगा, कि वो कभी पढ़ेगी, इसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है। बट हाँ, बैठ के लिख रहे हैं। और क्या लिख रहे हैं? यू आर माई फर्स्ट, लास्ट एंड ओनली लव। और फिर लोग पूछते हैं हम बुक्स क्यों पढ़ते हैं। Someone said so true that something like, perhaps love exists only in books because perhaps the love could not live anywhere else. Girls out there, whoever watching my video, being a book girl in this generation is a curse. This is the sad truth for me. This is, I mean, please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye. I know I am looking a bit depressed because of course I am. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.